blind bag. Can I get a Happy Meal with a drink, burger, and fries, please? A Sophia the First Fashem and one Secret Life of Pets blind bag. Let's see. Happy Meal with burgers and fries and drink. A Sophia the First Fashem and a Secret Life of Pets blind bag. That will be $5.60, please. Thanks a lot. Hi there, I'm Gidget. I see you ordered some really delicious food and some really great surprises. Here you go. Thanks a lot, Gidget. Come back and see us real soon. Welcome to McDonald's. Max here. How can I help you? Oh yes, I would like to order a hamburger and a Minions chocolate and toy surprise egg. Okay, got it. One hamburger and a Minions chocolate and toy surprise egg. That would be $9. Oh, one more thing. Do y'all have strawberry sundaes? No, sir. We don't sell those anymore. Okay, well that's all then. Hi there. Cool fire truck. What did you order? I ordered the hamburger and the Minion chocolate and toy surprise egg. Okay, here you go. Thanks. Welcome to McDonald's. This is Max. How may I help you? Well, hello there. I heard you guys are serving breakfast all day. That's correct, sir. That's awesome. I would like a stack of pancakes and a Disney Frozen Fashem. One pancake and a Disney Frozen Fashem. That'll be $5.50, sir. Thanks a lot, sir. Hi, I'm Gidget. Did you order the Disney Frozen Fashem and the pancakes? Yes, ma'am. I'm the one that wanted breakfast all day. Well, here you go. Enjoy your meal and please come again. Welcome to McDonald's. This is Max. How can I help you? Hi, yes. Judy Hops here. I'm ordering apple pies for all of the guys back at the station. Do you have 8 apple pies? Yes, ma'am, we do. Perfect. And I'd also like to order a Doc McStuffins Fashem. 8 apple pies and a Doc McStuffins Fashem. That will be $8.50, please. That's awesome. Hello, I'm Gidget. Did you order the apple pies and the Doc McStuffins Fashem? Yes, I did. Well, here you go. Enjoy your meal, officer. Welcome to McDonald's. How may I help you? Hey, Marlon, what would you like? Give me some French fries and a Shopkins blind basket. Well, I'll just share with you. Can I have some French fries and a Shopkins blind basket? French fries and a Shopkins blind basket. That would be $11.88. I love McDonald's. Hi there, I'm Gidget. I have French fries and Shopkins ready for you. Enjoy! It's time to open all of the surprises. First, we have the Secret Life of Pets blind bag. Oh wow, we got the silver Gidget. Next we have the McStuffins Fashem. Awesome! We got McStuffins. It's a Season 5 Shopkins blind basket. It's Brittney Brownie. We also got Bailey Baseball Glove. It's the Minion Chocolate and Toy Surprise Egg. I really hope that I get one of these Minion toy surprises. This chocolate looks delicious. We got a Minion puzzle. Let's put it together and see what it looks like. Oh, that's a cool puzzle. It's Bob, Stuart, and Kevin. Next, we have a Disney Frozen Fashem. Oh look, it's Sven. We have one last surprise. It's a Sophia the First Fashem. We got Whatnot. Green color, where are you? Green. Here I am, how do you do? Orange color, where are you? Orange. Here I am, how do you do? Red color, where are you? Red. Here I am, how do you do? Blue color, where are you? Blue. Here I am, how do you do? Yellow color, where are you? Yellow. Here I am, how do you do? Blue. Red. Purple. Yellow. Green. Orange. Give us a like and share with all of your friends. Click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel, or you